We have the day trader Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading Academy, with us now. And Mike, investors and traders are very concerned about U.S. companies that have big exposure to Russia. What's your trading strategy?
One thing that I want to look at is playing the downside. Now, a very easy way to play the downside is just to trade the indices, SPY, QQQ, DIA, IWM. But another thing to do, and especially when you have exposure that really wasn't known in a lot of these bigger companies, of how hard they could be hit by business either ceasing over in Russia or slowing down, or a lot of different things, of sanctions hitting it. One thing that when I've been going through looking at is a company like Pepsi. Pepsi is outside the United States, is their number 2 is Russia. Number 1 is Mexico, where Pepsi sales. Number 2 is Russia. That's a lot of exposure for a company that's always been kind of the back seat to Coca-Cola. So it can really hit them hard. So playing those moves in something like a company that has exposure, because really trying to trade Russian rubles, you need, that's not a retail type of trade. The ETFs on Russia are pretty darn thin. They might be a little bit better now, but really those things are so far extended that if you're thinking about getting short Russia now, not a great idea. So a great way to play it, and you're probably going to have a lot of interest in things like PepsiCo because of its international exposure, specifically Russia. That's a good one to play to the downside. Hey, you're here with Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading. Thanks a lot for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.